You may find that one of your orthodontic brackets becomes loose or debonds from your tooth. Before doing anything, it may be useful to discuss the situation with your orthodontic provider. After discussion, it may be worth removing the loose bracket from the appliance in your mouth. You may be able to use your fingers or tweezers if the rubber ring holding the bracket around the wire is broken. However, this may not be possible if the rubber ring is still holding the bracket on the wire. One way of safely removing the rubber ring is to use a small safety pin to help pull the elastic away from the bracket. Once achieved as shown, the bracket can then be retrieved carefully from your mouth. You may need a family member to do this for you or to help pull your lip or cheek away from where you are working to ensure you perform this safely.